Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to talk about Georgia's 3 amazing canyons. Funny enough, most people in this wonderful southern state probably haven't even heard of at least one of these. And I highly recommend a visit to each one. They provide an overlook at the parking deck, stunning hiking, camping opportunities. 2 of them have waterfalls, and one of them even has a water slide waterfall. Let's dive right in. First off, on the northwestern tip of the state, Cloudland Canyon. Of the 3, this is the widest canyon and arguably the most underrated. It offers 3 awesome hiking trails. The Waterfalls Trail, which takes you from the top down within the canyon, leading to 2 epic waterfalls and back up. Sitton's Gulch Trail, which is through the center of the canyon, showcasing the various boulders that were torn from the canyon throughout the river over the eons. And lastly, the West Rim, which hugs the western rim of the canyon, leading to the notable rock face of Cloudland Canyon. Along with standard campsites, it also provides 10 yurts, 16 cabins, 13 backcountry campsites, and RV camping as well. I also heard of a friend going to a wedding there, so if you visit and like it enough, you can probably get married there as well. Next up, and one of the most unique canyons, arguably in the South, is Providence Canyon. Located in the western middle part of the state, Providence Canyon is so much more different than almost every other canyon out there. Reason why? It's kind of man-made. Poor farming practices back in the 1800s led to land erosion of soft, sandy soils, creating gullies that were formed by eroded rainfall and runoff. Over time, these gullies were carved out into the canyon by many streams. Thus, the creation of one of the very few, mostly man-made canyons. Besides the very odd creation, Providence Canyon has an outstanding hiking trail leading you to various areas inside of it. You'll also like the various colors of the soils and sands showcased throughout the way. Be wary of the edge. The erosion here happens very quickly. And last but not least, on the northeastern edge of the state, the magnificent Tallulah Gorge. Unlike the other 2, this place has an epic suspension bridge you can cross over. While you're able to cross the notable bridge from both hikes, there's 2 primary ways to hike Tallulah Gorge. One of the hikes leads to Cherokee Falls and back up, leading to various lookouts atop the canyon, but the Floor Gorge hike takes you down through the Floor Gorge to a sliding waterfall. Believe me, it is much safer than it looks. However, if you're going to hike the Floor Gorge rather than the rim of the canyon, the Floor Gorge hike requires a permit, since they only give out roughly 100 a day, and the fact that it's first come, first serve. Your best bet is to arrive around 7:30, which is 30 minutes before the visitor center opens. This will most likely secure a permit for the day. However, it's also weather dependent. If it rains the day before hard or the day of, you're not going to get a permit most likely. If I had to choose, I would say Tallulah Gorge is the most beautiful in autumn, while Cloudland Canyon has the best sight overall. As for Providence Canyon, it's definitely the most unique, and for some reason, maybe we just got a little lucky, but the people down there seemed extremely friendly. Overall, the 3 amazing canyons in Georgia are certainly worth a visit. Even though they're spread out across the state, luckily, hiking is mostly free. And that also goes for camping, which is a very cost-effective and arguably a more fun way to travel as well. In case you want to see any of these epic adventures, take a look at some of these: Providence Canyon and the Floor Gorge of Tallulah. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.